Hi everyone! Welcome sa ating day 1 ng 40 days of Disciple Making Journal. So, I'm sharing this video with you guys kasi it would be better for me to share it nang nagsasalita ako. And at the same time, I don't have to type everything. Tsaka, siguro mas madali niyong maintindihan kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin if I am saying it right in front of you. So, itong ano na to, kanina ko pa siya binabasa and to be honest with you guys, hindi naman medyo challenging siya sa akin. Kasi first time kong mag-study ng ganito, ng yung ako lang, parang um, I need another brain cells or another insights from other people para medyo makapag-think outside of the box ako. But, yeah, kanina ko pa to siya binabasa and at the same time, inuulit-ulit ko kasi para medyo maintindihan ko siya. Kasi nung una ko siyang binasa, hindi pa siya nagsisink in sa akin. Pero, alright, sorry everyone, naputol yung aking unang video. Hindi ko siya napansin. But, yeah, let's continue half of our lessons for today. Ang sabi kasi dito sa next page, from what you know of Jesus' life on earth, write down some thoughts on how you think Jesus walked or lived. How was Jesus able to do what He did? So, may nasulat na ako ditong dalawa. Dalawa lang yung thoughts ko, Charis. So, ang unang kong sinulat is Jesus prayed, and then Jesus shared gospels or nagtuturo siya, right? So, alam naman natin na how Jesus prayed when He was on earth, and then nag-share din siya ng mga gospels or ng katuruan to other people and to His disciples. So, let's proceed to the next one. Wait lang, nagsasend ba yung aking... No, ayaw niya mag-send, everybody. Ayaw mag-send ng video. Kaya, ganon. May ata yung messenger, okay. Alright, next please,